supported decision-making is a bit different than something like a durable power of attorney. Typically, with a durable power of attorney, it's somebody who's appointed to make decisions in the event that someone becomes incapacitated. Supported decision making is a much broader approach to making decisions in a lot of different areas of life, and I think it allows for a much broader range of different types of support. When someone has a supported decision-making agreement, and there's lots of different templates out there for people to make a formal document delineating all this. Typically, you can list names of supporters. That could be one person, that could be two people, that could be five people. You list what their roles are and also the types of support that you want from them. So I would say a durable power of attorney is much more narrow. It's appointing one person to make decisions under a very specific circumstance. Supported decision making allows people to bring supporters into a whole host of other decisions that might affect their lives. And that's not just the really high consequence ones like healthcare and whatnot and finance. It's also other maybe more routine decisions, things about employment, where to live, education, relationships. Of course, those are important things in one's life, and supported decision making can allow people to bring in support for making those types of decisions as well. There's a lot of different ways that this is implemented in states. Some states do have sort of an official template. It's common in a lot of states, they might require the agreement to be signed by a witness or a notary of some type to be sort of a formally recognized agreement. But there are a lot of tools out there. I think some of the states that have a really good toolkit on supported decision making, in addition to having sort of that document I talked about that lays out who are the supporters, what's their name, what's their contact information, what's their role. There are also some states that have a lot of helpful tools on sort of thinking about just values around decisions and what kind of help people might want. So that does vary state by state on what's required.